entrance gates of Kings Canyon National Park. Nestled within the Sequoia National Forest, you'll find Hume Lake. It's an idealistic mountain retreat for those seeking outdoor adventure or refuge from their fast-paced, day-to-day grind. This is the place I chose to field test a unique SUV tailgate tent system by HEYTRIP. Let's break it down into 3 parts, beginning with the interior sleep system setup. First, I laid out a protective barrier blanket to separate the vehicle base from the air mattress. God forbid I air this thing up and some alibi pokey punctures the mattress. I was elated to find the mattress kit included a 12-volt electric air pump, which plugs into the vehicle's utility outlet. As a pro tip, I highly recommend turning on your vehicle engine while you operate the mini air pump, as not to cause excessive drain on your battery. The air pump, which functions perfectly, comes with 3 types of nozzle adapters, 2 of which I utilize to air up the mattress. As for the mattress itself, it has a unique folding design, so that way if you wanted to fold it in 2 and lay on one half and store all your gear on the second half of your SUV, you may. It comes with a dual valve system, which took me a moment to realize the exterior portion will prevent air from escaping as I air up the mattress. To my detriment, I'm not one for reading instructions. I eventually figured it out. I should probably mention the valve portion I was attempting to air up was meant for quick deflation. And for all those who travel with their pups, HEYTRIP stands by that this mattress is durable and pet friendly. Next, I'll walk you through the tailgate tent system with its attached awning. Everything that you see comes duffled in its own carry bag, which contains the wind and water resistant polyester tailgate tent, along with a separate mini pouch containing 4 neatly wrapped cordage guy lines and 2 aluminum anchoring stakes. Assembling this thing is as easy as putting on a pair of sweatpants. With this distinctive, elastic, universal fit design, simply pull it over the open back hatch and strap it tight.
Why the hell would you want to come up to a plant-infested no-man's land like this and live like a barbarian for a week?
You wouldn't understand.
Try me.
I have great memories of this country when I was a kid, and I used to come up here with my dad, and I want the boys to have the same memories. I would look around you, Roman, for God's sakes. This is beautiful country here. Take a good look.
I'll tell you what I see when I look out there, if you want to know.
Yeah, I'm curious.
I see the underdeveloped resources of northern Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Michigan. I see a syndicated development consortium exploiting over $1.5 billion in forest products. I see a paper mill, and if the strategic metals are there, a mining operation. A greenbelt between the condos on the lake and a waste management facility, focusing on the newest rage in toxic waste, medical refuse. Infected bandages, body parts, IV tubing, contaminated glassware, entrails, syringes, fluid, blood, low-grade radioactive waste, all safely contained, sunken in the lake, and sealed for centuries. Now, I ask you, what do you see?
I just see trees.
On either side of the tent, you'll find wheel straps equipped with quick connect carabiners and cinch points. For the upper portion, you'll need to utilize 2 of your cordage guy lines by tying them to the provided tent loops on the upper portion of the tent, then tie the opposite end to your side view mirrors. You've heard the term batteries not included. Well, flagpoles not included. For this adventure, I opted to build my own. I utilized a 6-foot pole, which I ended up cutting in half, then for the joints, I used pieces of PVC pipe and simply put hose clamps at the bottom to make sure that the poles didn't slip through. This was just one of many ways you can do it. Or if you want to opt to go online on Amazon, you can purchase poles that will retrofit this type of tent fly. The 2 remaining guy lines and 2 tent stakes were used to secure the poles in place to uphold the awning or tent fly. All in all, this is an excellent quality product. I recommend it to anybody looking to camp out of their own personal vehicles. That wraps it up for this episode of The Last Boy Scout Survival and Bushcraft. I hope you're all staying safe, staying vigilant. Knowledge is your weapon.